A warning now from the Better Business Bureau about solicitation letters that are showing up in mailboxes. Why the concern and what do you do if you get one? Consumer investigator Jennifer Krause tells us why you probably just want to throw it in the trash.
These letters are going primarily to senior citizens, and according to the BBB, they prey on seniors' fears of losing their Social Security benefits. These letters are from organizations with names like the Senior Citizens Alliance, the Seniors Center, and the Seniors Trust, and they ask for donations, claiming the money will be used to help get legislation passed in Washington that will help protect Social Security. The letters use strong language, even what you might call scare tactics, saying that if you do not respond and send money, the organization will not be able to fight to keep Social Security funds from being cut. They also come with some official-looking surveys, and one of them even claims that if you sign it and return it, your name will be added to their official citizens' petition to Congress. But all of this is really not what it seems. The Inspector General, in fact, has called this sort of mailing deceptive and just a way to separate seniors and their hard-earned money. And keep in mind, these are not charities, but lobbying groups, so if you do make a donation, it's not tax deductible. The BBB says if you have questions or concerns about legislation that affects Social Security, you should contact your elected officials yourself. After all, it's their job to represent you, and unlike those mailers, contacting your senator or congressional representative directly won't cost you a thing. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 investigates.